Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your Xiaomi Redmi 8A, for the first you have to open the notification bar, activate Bluetooth. Of course, do this on both smartphones. And right now we have to click and hold the Bluetooth icon. And we have to wait for the second device. So let's check the rarely used devices. Let's go back, try to refresh one more time. We can also check how it looks on the second smartphone. Oh, here we got the Redmi 7A, just the smartphone. So let's tap on it to connect. Accept the pair on both devices. And as you can see right now, the smartphones are paired. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!